How to disconnect someone from Messenger. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we will learn how we can disconnect someone from Messenger. So without further delay, let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to launch Messenger in your device and make sure that you're logged into your account. From your chat piece, navigate to the menu icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're under the menu piece, scroll all the way to the end. You have to tap on the settings icon at the top. Then you have to scroll all the way to the end. Once you're here under safety, tap on Meta Account Center. Then you have to head over to the account settings section, tap on password and security. So once you're here under the security checks, you have to tap on where you are logged in. Then you have to select your Facebook account. Once you land on this interface, here you will find all of the devices where you have been logged in or where you are currently logged in. If you find any suspicious device, all you have to do is tap on the device or tap on the select device to log out option at the bottom. From this interface, select the device from where you want to log out. Once done, tap on the logout button, and with that you have disconnected someone from Messenger. That's it, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.